welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share a recipe of lemon rice, also known as lemon pulihora.
You can prepare it quickly in few minutes if you have steamed rice ready with you.
We hope you guys will like it. Stay tuned.
These are the ingredients. We need 1.5 cups of steamed white rice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, around 3 green chilies which we have slit, about 10 curry leaves. We need 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 2 tablespoons of cashews, 3 dry red chillies, juice of 4 lemons, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt as per taste, and some oil for cooking. We'll start the preparation. For that, we'll add some oil in a pan and keep it on medium flame. Once the oil is hot, we will add mustard seeds and cumin seeds to this. Oil is hot now, so we will add mustard seeds and cumin seeds to this. We'll just shake it a little. As soon as the mustard seeds and cumin seeds crackle, we will add urad dal, cashew nuts and dry red chilies to this. So now we have added urad dal, cashew nuts and red chilies. Dal and the cashew nuts have turned golden, so we will add chopped ginger and green chilies to this. We saute it until the raw flavor of ginger is gone. Ginger and the green chilies are done now, so we will add curry leaves and hing to this. We'll give it a little mix. We will saute this a little and then we will add turmeric to this. Now we will add turmeric to this. We will mix this properly. We let the raw flavor of turmeric go and then we can add salt. Now we will add salt to this. We'll mix it nicely. We'll wait for around 30 seconds and then we'll add steamed rice to this. Now we will add steamed rice to this. We'll mix this properly. Now we will add lemon juice to this. We'll just turn the flame to low. We will mix this properly. And then we'll cover this and cook for about a minute. Our lemon rice is ready now. We hope you guys will like it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.